Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick video. Today's guide I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your Uber One membership. I accidentally subscribed to this at $10 a month. I was going through Uber Eats and I didn't pay attention to some of the buttons when I was clicking. They sometimes will throw in a little, would you like to subscribe to Uber Eats and save some money? And without even reading it, I just hit yes, and then I had monthly bills occurring. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to cancel the Uber One pesky little membership.
All right, guys, we're currently on my phone. Now, I recommend doing this through the Uber Eats app. You can do it through the Uber One app as well, but there's a lot more steps, so I recommend the Uber Eats app. We're going to launch the app. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to cancel the Uber One membership. Once in, at the bottom right, you're going to select Account, and then we're going to scroll down till we see Uber One right here. Once that loads up, we're going to scroll down till you see Manage Membership right here. Once in there, we're going to scroll down and you'll see a pause membership option or a end membership. We're just going to slightly depress the end membership. It's going to ask you why. I usually just say something else. You don't have to say what you'd like, or you can just be honest and say you didn't mean to sign up for this stupid account. Anyways, that's all you got to do, and then just hit continue. They're going to try to have you, pause your membership, anything but cancel. Select no thanks. And then end Uber One right here. And that's all there is to it. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button. We'll see you in the next video.